In this video, you'll learn how to automate order status changes in WooCommerce using SDP Custom Order Status Pro. If you're manually updating orders based on payment methods or customer types, this can quickly become repetitive and inefficient. With the Pro version, you can automate these transitions and let your store handle them automatically. Let's take a look. Go to WooCommerce, then Order Statuses, and create a new custom status. We'll call it Awaiting Bank Transfer. Once created, open the status settings. Here, you'll find automation options available in the Pro version. First, let's configure a real example. We want this status to be applied automatically when the customer selects bank transfer as the payment method. Once this is set, every order placed using bank transfer will automatically move to Awaiting Bank Transfer. Now let's configure the notifications. You can send an email to the customer with your bank details and payment instructions. At the same time, you can notify your accounting team by sending an email to a specific address, like accounting@example.com. This way, both the customer and your internal team are informed instantly, without any manual work. But automation doesn't stop there. You can also create rules based on user roles. This allows you to handle wholesale customers, partners, or specific user groups differently, without manual intervention. For example, you might assign a different order status or workflow depending on the type of customer placing the order. Once configured, these rules run automatically in the background. This means your orders move through your workflow without requiring manual updates or follow-ups. As your store grows, this kind of automation becomes essential to save time and avoid mistakes. Instead of managing every order yourself, you can rely on a system that adapts to your business logic. That's how you automate order status changes in WooCommerce using SDP Custom Order Status Pro.